You play a inept angel in training who gets fired for doing a bad job to become a human as punishment. What attracted you to this role?
Wait. I was good at the texting and driving part.
Yes, there's not inept there.
I was good at that. And I ended up being pretty good at the other thing, too.
What attracted you to the role?
I'm sorry, what?
What attracted you to the role?
All of that? No, it's a beautiful role. It's a beautiful role, and so fun to play, you know, to, I don't know, have that earnestness and light, and then go through the transition, and then come back, and it's a beautiful story. It's a beautiful story.
Absolutely. But more recently, I think from The Matrix to John Wick, you know,
Matrix, yeah.
The audience really knows you as a, you know, super cool action hero.
Acting.
This angel felt a little closer to perhaps Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. How did...
Excellent. Yeah, I mean, Aziz really was, when we met, I was like trying to figure out the role. We had met on some of the script stuff, and then I was trying, and one day he was just like, so, do you remember Bill and Ted? And I was like, yeah. Do you remember Todd from Parenthood? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, that guy. And I was like, oh, okay. But then he also wanted this other part of the kind of, for me, I thought of it as like his ancientness. But what am I saying? So yeah, that's spot on.
And how did it feel to go back to your comedic roots?
I mean, look who I'm working with Seth and Sandra and Vicky, and I was just kind of hanging out. They were like doing all of it.
Absolutely. You know, this is you know, a triad of powerhouse comedians. You know, a phenomenal cast. You know, both of you. You know, Seth Rogen, and of course, you also throw in Sandra Oh. Can you talk a little bit, Aziz, about how did this ensemble come together?
Well, I first sent it to Seth, and he came on board, and then I think Keanu came after that. I can't remember, but it just kind of was, you know, once Seth came in, he was, you know, kind of, you know, someone I really wanted to work with on this, and then everybody else just fell into place. They were all kind of my dream actors for the role, and it just worked out. They were all really excited to do it, and did such a wonderful job. So I just feel really lucky we got everybody, and it all worked out.
And was it accidental that they were all Canadians?
It was. I didn't even know Sandra Oh was Canadian, and I was like, whoa, okay, damn, maybe this is maybe gone too far. But no, they're all wonderful.
Well, I think, you know, there is a Canadian humor, and I think we're quite proud of that here in Canada. Of course, recently we opened with the John Candy film, produced also by funny man Ryan Reynolds, and, you know, just we're very, very, I think, proud of our Canadians here today. Keanu, can you yes?